everyone, my name is Shruti Agarwal and I have 5 years of industry experience in digital marketing. Now, in this video, I'm going to review HubSpot digital marketing course that is completely free and it is based on the inbound certification. It is based on the inbound marketing. Now, if I go ahead, then I would like to recommend my personally trusted institute that is linked in the description box, and it comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee too. Plus, they are also providing with the personal mentorship and the one-to-one hands-on practice. So you can check out this course and even compare it with other courses. Now, if I talk about the digital marketing, then it's a completely vast field where you will get an opportunity to work in SEO, SEM, social media, performance marketing, content marketing, SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, and all. And the companies will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity skills, and all, and of course your portfolio. So there is no need to learn everything. Instead, you can go with one or two focused areas and you are good to go, right? Now, if I come ahead with the digital marketing course review, then basically it's a free certification course and it is completely a human centered inbound first digital marketing strategy with HubSpot Digital Academy. And it is perfect for beginners or the professionals, I guess, because who are just looking to get an idea about digital marketing or who are ready to upscale them. So basically, let's check what is inside the course. Then this certification, then they are provide, it is good for the small business and the marketing managers and the individuals who are looking to upscale and who are looking to just for an introduction of digital marketing. So you can go with this course if you are just a beginner, but uh, I will move ahead. So basically, you will learn a marketing. So basically, you will learn a marketing strategy, how to grow an online presence, how to grow an online presence, email, social media, advertising strategy, and all to get your to get your business managed, right? So basically, if you are just a beginner and they're even providing you this in 2 to 3 languages, so it's bilingual course. You don't have to worry about the languages barrier. Now, if we talk about the inclusions, then basically they are providing me the one certification. They have 10 lessons, including contact management, content marketing, email marketing, lead generation, SEO, SCM, reporting, and performance. And the course is quite short. It is for 3 hours only. So you can even complete it at your own pace because it's completely self-paced and it's completely free. It's perfect for the learners who are just juggling between the jobs and the tight schedule. So you can even complete it at your own pace. Now the certification is limited here because they are providing the HubSpot certification only. It is globally accepted and the globally respected as well, but the Google certifications and other certifications are required too. Basically best for the new marketing and the project managers or the small business owners. And the limitations and the considerations are this is not a tool based course. So you won't learn how to use a PPC campaign or how to create one ad. It's all theory based about inbound workflows and the mindset. So you will not get a hands-on practice, which is very mandatory when you will go for the higher careers or the higher job positions. So they will ask for the certifications and the hands-on practice. So there is zero placement or the interview prep support as well. It's just for an idea and who are just upscaling themselves, but it is not completely recommended for those who are very serious into the digital marketing. So basically, if I come to my honest verdict, then if you are just starting, then you can go with this and complete this. There is no loss and there is no harm because it's completely free. But I would recommend to take a paid course, one from any institution, any reputed institution that might be providing the placement opportunities as well, and providing the real world projects too, right? Now, if you want a course that comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee, then I repeat, then you can go with my personally recommended trusted institute, which is linked in the description box. You can go with this. Plus, if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next video with another topic. And if you have any doubts, you can even check my playlist, which is linked there. And you will find a better option for yourselves if you are ready to invest into any course. Now, I guess, now I guess if you have any doubts, just feel free to comment below. I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next video with another topic. Till then, thank you for watching.